The habit of holding back a sneeze for the sake of etiquette is an attempt to arrange a local explosion inside your skull. You are in a major meeting at the office or in a quiet movie theater. Trying to maintain the image of a polite person, you tightly pinch your nostrils with your fingers and close your mouth. At this moment, you are committing an act of biological sabotage against your own head. The speed of airflow during a sneeze exceeds 100 miles per hour, which is comparable to the power of a Category 2 tropical storm. When you block the natural exit for this hurricane, colossal pressure is redirected into internal cavities. This blow falls on the eustachian tubes and delicate eardrums. In U.S. medical literature, frightening cases are described where such politeness led to a ruptured larynx or damage to small vessels in the brain. Holding back this natural reflex is just as dangerous as trying to plug the barrel of a gun with your finger.